बाई डेली रुटिन ल पढ्दिनुहोस् तपाईले.
Every morning I wake up, then the sun comes up. I brush my teeth, I wash my face, and I eat my breakfast. After that, I get ready for school. I put on my clothes, pack my bag, and wait for my ride. At school, I study, read, and play with my friends. I try to listen to my teacher and do best in class. When I come back, I eat.
When I come back home.
When I come back home, I eat my snack and rest for a little while. And I do my homework. After homework, I play outside or watch some cartoons. In the evening, I eat with my family.
Dinner. I eat dinner.
I eat dinner with my family.
Before
sleeping, I brush my teeth again and listen to a bedtime story. Then I close my eyes and sleep happily and ready for a new day.
Happily ready for a new day.